The truth is, Hostinga is one of the best hosting you can actually use to start up your website, and it's very fast, reliable in terms of maybe uptime. Hostinga is one of the best. So, peradventure, you actually want to start your website and you actually want to pay for Hostinga, and you are looking for discount code or coupon code you can actually use to get started to be able to save money whenever you are buying Hostinga. So, this video is perfectly made for you. So, as you can see, this is the discarded link that I've gotten from Hostinga. I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to actually save money whenever you are buying your hosting from Hostinga. So as you can see, it said you are going to get up to 75 off on your web hosting and website builder. So and this is one of the best discounted deals for Hostinga in 2025. For this particular offer, you are going to be getting 247 customer care, and it includes free domain name, free website migration. So if you want to migrate your website from your current hosting to Hostinga, they are going to do it free for you without actually charging you any additional money. And currently this offer is actually about 2.99 every month, and you are going to get 2 months free. So if you're actually subscribing for this offer, you're going to getting 2 months free. So let me scroll down to show you the pricing for this particular offer. As you can see, if you are getting these premium services like the premium hosting, is going to cost you around 299 every month, which is going to be in terms of like if you are subscribing for 48 months. So if you are subscribing for the business plan, you are going to get it at 3.99 every month. So and for the terms of 48 months, and 2 months free was added to this offer. And for the cloud setup, it's going to be like a 7.99 every month with 48 month time frame and also 2 months free. So let me show you some of the advantage. As you can see, if you are getting their premium plan, you are going to have a minimum of 25 websites, and for the business plan, it's going to be like a 50 websites. You can actually host 50 websites on this platform with a lot of benefits. Migration for WordPress, like unlimited hosting, like unlimited SSLs, different features. So if you actually subscribe, you are going to save money with this offer. So I'll be choosing this business plan to show you how I'm going to pay, then actually claim my offer. So as you can see, this is the business plan, and if I'm choosing the 48 months, which is about 4 years, I'm going to be paying just 3.99 every month. So let me show you. If you are choosing just 12 months, so if you are choosing 12 months, your price will increase. So as you can see, you are going to be paying 4.99 every month, which is not going to pay you at the long run. So if you choose, like, let's say 24 months, your price will reduce a little bit, which is going to be 4.49. So to save money on this particular hosting, I will actually advise you to choose the 48 months so that you can be able to save money. You are not going to be paying any money for the rest of the 4 years. So let me show you. Then click on continue. As you can see, we are saving a open amount of $480 on this particular hosting. So if you want to renew, definitely you are going to be renewing after the 48 months, which is the 4 years, and you are going to they also give you 2 months free. So it's a good offer, and you are going to be getting free domain name whenever you actually choose this particular offer, which can be .com or .syz, any domain name you actually want. So let me click on continue to actually pay, then actually get my hosting with Hostinga. So I'm going to enter my email and my password to actually register with Hostinga. So guys, as you can see, I've entered my email address and also my password, then click on register. So I'm going to click on register to be able to pay for this particular hosting. It said a password provided as appear to okay, I have to choose a strong password. So let me paste it once again. Then I'm going to choose a strong password. So I think the password should be very, very okay now. So I'm going to click on register once again to actually sign up for Hostinga hosting. So it's loading me in. So I'm going to save my password for the purpose of next time that I do want to sign up. So as you can see, I have to fill in my details. So imagine this is the amount I have saved using this discounted link that I'm going to provide inside the video description. So I've saved over $623 using this particular link. So if you have any coupon code, you can actually apply it here again to save more. So I will try much as possible to get you another coupon code that will allow you to save more money. So you just have to comment inside the video description. I will actually provide a coupon code for you to save more money. So let me fill in my name and my details. So I've successfully filled in my details. So all I have to do is to click on continue to be able to pay for this particular hosting straight off. So it's loading up. So as you can see, I have to actually pay for this particular hosting. So one important thing, like one of the reasons why I actually like hosting, guys, is the fact that they give you a lot of options in terms of payment. So as you can see, you can pay with your credit card, you can pay with Google Pay, you can pay with Alipay. So for instance, I think I have to use my PayPal account to pay for this particular hosting so that it will be more faster. So instead of choosing Visa or MasterCard to pay, so let me scroll down a little bit, then choose PayPal from the options. So I'm going to choose PayPal from this particular option to pay for my hosting. So it's loading up. So as you can see, click on PayPal checkout, then it's going to redirect me to PayPal to be able to pay for my hosting. I hope you are finding this video very valuable. If you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and whenever I see any updates like this, I'm going to drop it inside the video description. So I'm going to click on pay, agree and pay, and they are going to charge my PayPal account. So as you can see, it's loading up. They are going to charge my PayPal account, and I'm going to get hosting for the next 4 years. So I'm not going to be paying for hosting in the next 4 years. As you can see, our payment is done. So I only pay $191 for 4 years. So let me click on get started, and I'm going to get hosting dashboard. So once again, I'm going to be dropping this particular hosting discounted link inside the video description if you actually want to try it out. And in the future, I'll be finding a coupon code that can help to save more money if you are using the link that I'm providing inside the video description. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.